you know. No. Okay, so I'm literally about to go right now, but I'm gonna do a quick intro. Hi lovies, I'm Cliffy in for those who don't know me, and for the returners, welcome back to my channel. So basically this is gonna be an unfiltered video. I'm gonna be just, you know, like I'm gonna be filming every day of my life, you know. I'm sorry to talk so fast because I'm very late and I have to go right now, but I am literally excited for this video. This is very new to me. I've never done an unfiltered video ever before, obviously, so this is going to be very new to me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye. Oh, right now I'm going to go and actually I'm gonna go with my sister. She's going to do her hair right now to the salon in Pantown. So yeah, we're about to go there right now. Bye. Welcome to Fitness Vlog.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. The nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how pretty. In your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't been like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk.
So guys, today I am going to a Valentine's picnic with my friends. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. I can't really talk now. Like I can't talk and explain now. I'm only gonna explain when I get to my friend's house because I'm about to go and do my hair. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm there and I'm gonna explain everything and stuff. So yeah, now I'm just about to go to my friend's house. I'm sorry not to actually update you guys when I was in my friend's house. That's only because we were just rushing and everything, doing makeup and our hair and stuff. Right now I'm with my friends and I'm actually liking this place, bro. Like it's so cute. It's so like it gives up a American vibe.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do.
Look at us. Look at this. The best.
This is for me, Kulera. You know how pretty it is. In your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't been like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Like the 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be best to track and field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga baby, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for nothing. You pull up when I call. I know they could respect. Strippers with the shit. Maybe cause you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'll probably be dead if I I was basic. You still give me head.
I can help
I
but
walk in the
stop
direction.
saying
Spirit of the thought we do it
everybody
reckless.
runs. So
You
back
nigga call us
tonight, but
texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know my
tonight I'm
breath. In your mouth.
tonight I'm gonna put my body on your body. Tonight's going down.
Cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
What the hell is going on here? I'm a nigga.
You should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how they fall.
I can't believe they actually fell, bro. They fell in mud.
Maybe 'cause you let me low. Say fucked up, changing. Probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head if I pull up when I call. All the niggas respect me. The strippers wanna sex me. Now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, changing. Probably be dead if I was basic. You still give me head. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know my breath. In your mouth, speak to me. I ain't get like it. Just 'cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't.
Cozy.
If you love me, I gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta